So here's hoping you can all hear me. And we're opening the box. And there's the Sonlight logo. Sweet. So I have an idea of what's in here, but I don't know exactly what's in here. And you know how much fun it is to open boxes, especially curriculum boxes. It's almost like Christmas. I'm folding all the flappies back so they don't get in our way or block the camera. Packaging. Ooh. Okay, so the usual, oh hey, it's a refrigerator magnet. Nice. And then the Getting Started with Sonlight pamphlet. Helpful. The invoice. Yes. This says Hands on History. Ooh. I don't know that I was expecting quite this. Can she get it out of the box? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look like fun? I love things that you can literally get your hands on. We're going to open that up in just a second, but first let's finish what's in the box. Books, of course, because it's Sonlight, right? Catherine Called Birdie. The Minstrel in the Tower. That's a good one. The Great and Terrible Quest. That looks really good. E.L. Königsberg. What did E.L. Königsberg write? A Proud Taste for Scarlet and Miniver. What did she write? Is she the... She's the View from Saturday. And also I need my glasses on. Is she the files of... the mixed up files of... Even my glasses don't. Frankweller, yes. The Mixed Up Files of Mrs. Basil E. Frankweller. Yes. Okay. I knew that name was familiar. So this is called A Proud Taste for Scarlet and Miniver. Okay. We can put the glasses down now. They didn't actually help me. And Famous Figures of Medieval Times. What is that? Ooh. Yes. Paper dolls? Or I'm not exactly certain what that is. Does this mean we get to put clothes on things? Make a moving figure. Oh, you cut them out and you make several moving figures who are famous people from medieval times. So, as always, from Sonlight, a stack of books. Now let's open the box. The Hands-on History box. Ooh, this looks like fun. Ooh. A catapult. A volcano. Yeah. A car. A sailing ship. Oh my goodness, this looks like fun. Straw weaving. And look at everything you need is inside. Here's the car. Here's the volcano. Here's the catapult. Everything you need is inside. So this one is a desert lap book. A telegraph. Oh, got a battery and some kind of something or other. An obelisk. Is that clay? I think that's clay. We're going to make an obelisk out of clay. Glue dots. Very necessary. Glad those are included. A log cabin. Yes. We got a tray and some tape. We have a template packet. And we have a book. Oh, this is all the instructions for how to make the things. And then, oh, there's a piece of clear stuff. And there's this folder. Ooh, that's sandpaper. So apparently every single solitary thing you need to make these projects is in the box. That is totally fun. Thanks for sharing this little unboxing with me. I'm Ann Carrico. I'm from Annie and Everything. I'm happy to be here. And yeah, I guess that's all there is to it.